Wooden crafts have a timeless quality that resonates deeply with the principles of modern design. The allure of wood lies not only in its natural beauty but also in its versatility, durability, and the warmth it brings to contemporary spaces. As we navigate an increasingly digital world, there is a growing appreciation for handcrafted items that embody authenticity and craftsmanship. This exploration will delve into various wooden craft project ideas that highlight the timeless quality of wood while seamlessly integrating with modern design aesthetics. Timelessness in design refers to elements that transcend trends and fads, retaining their appeal regardless of the era. Wood, as a material, embodies this quality through its enduring presence in human culture. From ancient civilizations to modern times, wood has been used to create essential tools, furniture, and art. Its organic nature connects us to the earth, evoking feelings of comfort and stability. In the realm of modern design, wooden crafts can bridge the gap between the old and the new, offering a sense of continuity while embracing contemporary sensibilities. Crafting wooden items allows artisans to create pieces that tell a story. Each grain, knot, and imperfection in the wood contributes to the narrative of the object. This storytelling aspect is particularly appealing in modern design, where consumers seek meaningful connections with the items they bring into their homes. A handcrafted wooden table, for instance, can serve as a centerpiece for family gatherings, embodying both functionality and emotional resonance. The act of creating with wood fosters a deeper appreciation for the material, encouraging artisans to design pieces that reflect their values and experiences. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. One of the most prominent areas where wooden crafts shine is furniture design. In contemporary interiors, wooden furniture can serve as a focal point that enhances the overall aesthetic. Consider the timeless appeal of a solid wood dining table, crafted with care and attention to detail. The rich tones and textures of the wood can evoke warmth and invite conversation during meals. By choosing a minimalist design, artisans can create a table that complements modern decor while maintaining the inherent beauty of the material. The combination of clean lines with organic shapes creates a harmonious balance that resonates with contemporary design principles. Exploring multifunctional furniture is another way to embrace the timeless quality of wood in modern design. A wooden bench that doubles as storage can seamlessly fit into an entryway, providing both a place to sit and a solution for organizing shoes or other items. This type of design reflects the increasing demand for practicality in modern living spaces, where maximizing functionality is essential. The use of wood in these projects not only enhances durability but also adds an element of sophistication, making everyday objects feel special. Beyond functional furniture, wooden crafts can take on more artistic forms, showcasing the beauty of wood through sculptural designs. A wooden sculpture can serve as a striking visual element in a modern space, inviting admiration and contemplation. Artisans can experiment with abstract shapes, incorporating curves and angles that play with light and shadow. These sculptures not only capture attention but also create a dialogue between the object and its surroundings, enriching the overall design narrative of the space. The process of crafting a wooden sculpture allows artisans to explore their creativity without the constraints of traditional furniture design. By embracing organic forms, artisans can create pieces that feel alive, echoing the natural world. This connection to nature is increasingly relevant in modern design, where biophilic principles emphasize the importance of integrating natural elements into our living spaces. A wooden sculpture, whether displayed indoors or outdoors, can serve as a reminder of the beauty of the natural environment, fostering a sense of tranquility and balance. Wooden crafts can also enhance home decor, offering unique accents that elevate modern interiors. Wall art made from wood can transform blank walls into captivating displays. By layering different pieces of wood, artisans can create textured wall hangings that add depth and interest to a space. These pieces can be customized to match the color palette and style of the room, seamlessly integrating with existing decor while providing a touch of artistic flair. Another home decor project idea involves crafting wooden shelves that serve both storage and display purposes. Open shelving made from reclaimed wood can showcase books, plants, and decorative objects, creating an inviting atmosphere. The natural imperfections and character of reclaimed wood add a sense of history to modern spaces, reminding us of the stories that each piece carries. This approach aligns beautifully with the growing trend of sustainability in design, where the use of reclaimed materials not only reduces waste but also celebrates the beauty of imperfection. In the realm of kitchenware and tableware, wooden crafts offer an opportunity to blend functionality with artistic expression. Handcrafted wooden cutting boards, serving platters, and utensils can elevate the culinary experience, turning everyday tasks into moments of joy. A beautifully crafted cutting board made from hardwood can serve as both a practical tool and a decorative element, enhancing the visual appeal of the kitchen. Artisans can experiment with different shapes and finishes to create unique pieces that resonate with modern design sensibilities. For instance, a charcuterie board with a live edge can showcase the natural beauty of the wood while providing an elegant presentation for gatherings. By incorporating personalized engravings or artistic designs, these wooden items can become cherished heirlooms, embodying both functionality and sentimental value. Wooden crafts can also play a significant role in lighting design, enhancing the ambience of modern spaces. Pendant lights made from wood can add warmth and character to kitchens, dining areas, or living rooms. The interplay of light and shadow created by wooden fixtures can evoke a sense of coziness, making spaces feel inviting and intimate. By experimenting with different shapes and sizes, artisans can create lighting that serves as a statement piece while seamlessly integrating into the overall design. The use of natural finishes on wooden lighting fixtures allows the inherent beauty of the material to shine through. Whether opting for a rustic, reclaimed wood look or a sleek, modern design, the choice of wood can significantly impact the aesthetic of the space. The warm glow of light filtering through wooden slats can create a dynamic atmosphere, drawing attention to the craftsmanship involved in the creation of the piece. The act of crafting wooden items can also serve as a reflective process, allowing artisans to connect with their creativity and values. As individuals engage with the material, they often find themselves immersed in the experience, fostering a sense of mindfulness. This connection to the crafting process can lead to a deeper appreciation for the final product, as artisans become aware of the time, effort, and intention that went into creating each piece. This reflective approach aligns beautifully with the principles of modern design, which often emphasize authenticity and intentionality. By embracing the crafting process, artisans can create pieces that resonate with their personal narratives, enriching the overall design of their spaces. The act of creating becomes a journey of self-expression, resulting in wooden crafts that carry meaning and significance beyond their functional roles. The timeless quality of wooden crafts finds its place in modern design through a myriad of project ideas that celebrate the beauty and versatility of wood. From furniture and home decor to artistic expressions and functional items, wooden crafts embody a unique blend of authenticity, craftsmanship, and sustainability. As we navigate a world increasingly influenced by technology and mass production, the appreciation for handcrafted wooden items continues to grow. By embracing the principles of modern design, artisans can create wooden crafts that resonate with contemporary sensibilities while honoring the traditions of the past. The enduring appeal of wood, coupled with the creativity and intention of the maker, results in pieces that enrich our lives and environments. As we bring these wooden crafts into our homes, we not only celebrate the beauty of the material, but also connect with the stories, values, and experiences that each piece embodies. Ultimately, wooden crafts offer a pathway to create spaces that are not only functional, but also deeply personal and meaningful. By infusing our homes with the timeless quality of wood, we can cultivate an atmosphere that reflects our values, fosters connection, and inspires creativity. In a world that often prioritizes the ephemeral, the enduring nature of wooden crafts serves as a reminder of the beauty found in craftsmanship, authenticity, and the natural world. As we continue to explore the possibilities of wooden crafts, we invite timelessness into our contemporary lives, enriching our experiences and the spaces we inhabit. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos.